Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-step infographics in just PowerPoint. So this is the Swot infographics, and I have tried to create it in 3D, so I hope you will like it guys. So before start creating it guys, I just want to make a request. If you are new on this channel and watching this video for the first time, then do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. So as you can see here, I have created a puzzle-like effect over here, and on each puzzle I have kept a word like SWOT, which representing strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Okay. So you can see an arrow is pointed towards the text and showing the direction of the text where the text is written and kept. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So just click on insert option. Here you will find the new slide option. Click on that and choose a blank slide. If you want to detail about the slide size, then you can click on design option. Just click on slide size option, choose a custom slide size option, and here you will get all the information about the slide size, like the height and the width you can see here. But if you don't have any idea to set the slide size, then you can also choose a predefined slide size from the drop down section. Okay, so I'm choosing the wide screen so that we can see the presentations or the infographics clearly on the wide screen. Okay, so I'm pressing OK here, and now we'll start creating first the shape like this type of 3D shape we'll start creating. Okay. One more thing I just want to discuss, to create an effect like this, I have separated this part, and you can see these are the 3 groups I have separated. Okay. So let me show you. Let me ungroup it like this. Now you can see this is the another grouped shape which have the 3 puzzles structure. Okay. So now I will start creating it guys. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option. Here you will find the shape option. Just click on that, and after clicking on shape option, you just have to choose this rounded rectangle option over here. So I'm going to choose it. Before dragging it, you just have to press Ctrl and Shift together so that we can get a regular 4 rounded corner rectangle. So I'm pressing Ctrl and Shift together and dragging it outward to make it bigger like this. Okay, place it in the center and make it no outline by clicking on no outline option. And after this, you just find the yellow dot over the boundary of this shape. So you just have to drag it to the left or right. If you drag it to the left, the corner of the shape will become more sharper. Okay, so I think we have to do it something this much. Okay, it's enough. Now what I'm going to do, I will again click on insert option and choose a rectangle option from there, and now I will drag a rectangle like this to cover the whole shape. And for now I'm going to fill it with a different color and make it no outline. Right click over here and send it to back. Now you can see you have to adjust it like this. Now what I'm going to do, we want only curved edges here. As you can see, this part, you can see the 3 corners of the shape will be sharper. The only 1 corner will be rounded. That's why I'm going to make these 3 corners sharper, and this will be rounded. Okay, so I'm going to click it over here and drag it to cover the whole shape. To do that, what I'm going to do, I will randomly select a rectangle and drag it over here, put it over here like this. Select this blue shape, press Ctrl and select this new shape and say subtract. And now I will put this shape over the previous one. Now you can see. Now we'll select all these shapes and say union to make a single shape like this. Okay. Now we have the desired shape. Now what we have to do, we just have to choose oval shape. Oval shape we can see at the corner. If you don't want to choose from here, you just click on insert option, just click on shape option and choose an oval shape. Just Ctrl Shift together and drag it outward to make it bigger like this. Now we have to remove the outline. To do that, what I'm going to do, I will select no outline option. Before doing this, I'm going to rotate it like this. And now what we have to do, slightly I'm going to decrease the size of the circle. Let me zoom in, and slightly I'm going to decrease the size of the circle like this. Now zoom out. Again, I'm going to click on insert option. Just choose a rectangle option. Randomly drag a rectangle. Okay, let me change the shape fill, any shape fill, and make it no outline. Put it over the circle. And now what I'm going to do, I will select the circle, press Ctrl and select this rectangle and subtract. Subtract this part from the circle. So I'm going to choose subtract. Now we have to put it over here. At the center you can see the line, horizontal line, vertical line, dotted line. And now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and rotate it left 90 degrees. So I'm going to rotate it left 90 degrees like this. Rotate it left 90 degrees like this and put it over the top of the shape. Okay, like this. Now what you have to do, guys, let me take the reference of the previous slide. You have to remove this shape. Okay, you have to remove the circle from here and extend the circle from this side. So to remove the circle, what I'm going to do, I will flip it horizontally. So I'm going to flip it horizontally and put it over here like this. Okay, so now select the bigger shape, press Ctrl and select this circle and say subtract. Subtract the circle from the bigger shape. So I'm going to subtract it like this. And now select this shape and select this shape and make it union. Now our shape is ready. So this is the main thing I have explored you guys. After this, the constructions will become very easy, like I'm going to show you. Now what we have to do, guys, let me show you. Press Ctrl and D together to make a duplicate copy. Fill it with any random different color and rotate it 90 degrees. Put it over the first one. Okay. Again press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy. Rotate it 90 degrees. Fill it with a different color, any random color, and put it over here. Okay. Again press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy. Put it separately. Fill it with a different color. Like I'm going to choose a green color for this. Later on we will change the color also. Now select all these three shapes and press Ctrl G to make a single group. Okay. And now it's time to give the 3D effect, guys. So I'm going to select all these shapes and click on the effect option over here. You will find the 3D format. So just click on that. And now what I'm going to do, I will make it height 44, but the width becomes 0. Okay. After doing this, you will find a 3D rotation at the bottom. Just click on that and choose the presets like this. Got it, guys? Now, I think we have to increase the width, increase the height of the shape. Like we are going to do it something 44, or maybe it should be 60. Okay, so we'll do the same thing with this. We have to make it 60, height 60. So I'm going to do it 60. Okay. For this, I'm going to choose rotate it 90 degrees. Put it over here. Okay. Now we have to select the color sample. Press Ctrl C to copy it and paste it over here. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I will change the background option. So I'm going to right click over the slide and choose the format background option. After this, I will choose the gradient fill option. It will automatically fetch the color from the previous slide, guys. As you can see, for the right handle I'm using the blue color, light blue, and for the left handle I'm using the white color. Okay, I think there is no doubt in this part. Okay, now what we have to do, guys, we have to fill it with the color. So what I'm going to do, let me show you. For this we have to choose a gradient fill option, and the type should be linear, not radial, and the direction should be this. For the right handle, what I'm going to use, I will use this color. For the left handle, I will use the same color, but for the left handle I will use the lighter version of this color. So I'm going to use this color. Got it, guys? For this shape, again I'm going to choose a gradient fill option. So I'm doing it. I'm fast and forwarding the video. I hope you will get the idea. So we have to make, I'm fast and forwarding the video so that we can save the time, guys. Okay, guys, so we have already done with this. Now what we have to do, we have to add a text box over here, and we will write SWOT. So it's time to add the word on the 3D plates. So I'm going to right click, press Ctrl A, select all these shapes, and I'm going to increase the size, like I'm going to do it something this much, and choose an impact style. So I'm going to choose an impact style, impact. So you can see the impact style here. Decrease the size a little bit, this much. Okay. Now again choose a rectangle from the shape. Place this text over the rectangle. Send it to pad. Select this shape, this rectangle, and say fragment. Now we don't want this rectangle, we'll delete it. Select all these shapes and make it no outline, like this. We don't want this part, so I'm going to delete it. Select all these shapes, click on effect option, again go to the 3D format. I'm giving it 22, but width should be 0. And now click on 3D rotation option and choose this shape. Now put S, right click over here and send it to front. So I'm going to select all the shape and bring it to front. Now I'll put S on the first one, W on the second one, O on the third one, and T on the fourth one. Yeah. Got it, guys? So now talk about the color. Before filling color, I'm going to copy this text over here. I'm going to copy all the text from the previous slide and paste it on the new slide. Like I'm going to paste it over here. Talking about the color, I'm going to fill it with this pink color. W, for the W I will choose color from this text. For O, I will choose color from this text. Got it? And for T, I'm going to choose color from this text. Okay. Finally, we have to add a arrow. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will use this kind of arrow over here, drag it over here, make it no outline. And now let me show you how I will use it. I rotate it like this, bring the side parallel to the shape, and you can see here, right click over here and send it to back. For this I'm using a gray color, I will use this color. Press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy of the arrow. Make the arrow parallel to the edge of the 3D figure and send it to the back. Okay, so let me explain which type of text I'm using. So for the detailed text, I'm using this particular text and size is 10.5. Look, all the text I'm using in the presentation on infographics are the default text, so don't worry about the text where to download the text style. I will use only that text that is accessible or available in all the version of the PowerPoint, so that anyone can easily use this text styles in their infographics guys. Okay. So for the heading, what kind of text I'm using? I'm using Swot 720 BT, again my favorite, and 18 is the size of the text. Okay. So final thing you can do, you can provide a shadow effect to the word, like you can add a shadow effect like this. Okay, so it will look something better than before. So that's all for today. This is the tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.